What is up, Flip Nation Squad, JZS Squad, whatever it is. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. I have a bump right there because I have a pimple. Hit that squad, whatever I'm talking about. But as you can tell by the title, this video is unboxing my knife. Not really unboxing, but I ordered this Zombie Killer 13-inch knife. I like collecting knives. It's pretty lit, actually. It's got some rope right there that you're supposed to put around your wrist, but it's a little bit too small. It's got a glass breaker right here, so you can go boom, boom, boom. It's got some ridges right here. It's got some blood splatter, and I got it like a week ago. No, like 2 weeks ago. It's pretty lit because it's a freaking 13-inch knife, you guys. Guess what, you guys? I'm a nephew. I have a nephew. My sister had her baby. It's awesome. It's the cutest baby ever. Yeah, so like this video, subscribe, peace. Let's roll that out. Show.